Very good morning, Kopi Posyandu dong Swab. Selamat pagi. Hari Kamis, Thursday today. It's a raining season here in Mysot. Musim hujan di Mysot. Timpuh do madasam di Mysot. I want to speak in three language. This morning, I can hear a very loud machine somewhere there, and we want to see what is it. So, di baino, tiba tongo kudo kot ginangaw do engine na di mo iso pagintong. I want to see what is it from my office. It's very early here. It's around 8 in the morning. Dong suab riti habikuang do bobok do kapahu riti. Ausang ko basi o taban iti. It seems to me the sky is not blue, it's dark, so it's gonna rain. It had been raining for a couple of days. In the dasam the pipi o tadaw iti. Yeah, that's my maid. Thank you. Tin po nga supo da kay di menuhong teka magukab diti moy pembelisi diti teka moy pengibasi diti hintun, because some of the youths are coming to do some music practice for the upcoming conference on November, so she's cleaning. Iba di pipi di pemhakan moy the moy Amazon the practice the music bah kano may to kawintong ano to kita to ko di bay no to upuod ko sa ti engine ni na tabi na yung ngawi ano to kita to. Actually what you are seeing now right in front of my gates is a seasons of planting rice, and you can see there are people who are actually local Myanmar people who is in Mysot, who is planting the rice, and there is a tractor to plow the land. Katapod isa nga itin pa nga timpo do mananom dapay naging marado nga painsusubay na tideti a bit different. You can see those ladies there are planting the rice, but at the meantime you can see somebody is plucking the land, mamalado duhiya na pa nga kiba na mananom na pay duhiya kiba na malado ang maguno do tractor nga. These are actually not the real owners, these are workers, and mostly the workers are from Myanmar. Tino pa nga kung kasangano na patana jadi tiri-titing nga tuhun do Thailand nga tino pa nga pumaladya te koy pungana do toko do kontrakto kamay dibo bulino do gojihan ji ho di ho dadi mamaladu di isay by the hamin ku isay by the hamin the bishop. It's just the rice field is just by the side of my house. Is it amazing? Naikat pinasi kan naikat gini nga kan ya. Mitin ay amusan totok dia hari itu kita ko. This is the rice, I think. They want to plant it. Can you see that? This is a very nostalgic scenes for me, because I was born and raised as a farmer boy when I was small. Tino pa magidog nga yung nakahangad pa kita ko dito guminazo zogyada sa Baguio sa muhon ni mabubuvat nga viwo tumano di ama dadi Iti nakanangan ko da pengizan da iti damin ko da iti maisot. This is what I like. You can just come out from the door and you can see rice, you know. In the month of July is planting rice. Iti na timpu do komuzon do mananam do pai ba iti. Tadi ino di do timpu-timpu mereka diti. Gumu na rin tanah daw tunan. Actually, it's getting smaller now because a lot of the rice field has been filled to build up house. But I thank God, asan ay Tuhan to, I can still experience this what they call planting rice paddy, you know. Kakalso do kokito dito tuhun ngabi mananang kulja maman, mananang kulja diho mananang kulom kibadi mananan nom iho niho natanaman na pai ya mananom iho diho sama just ya iti na kamuso na timpu do mananom pananaman sunu patudo otubong taban iti even though it's gonna rain soon but thank God bah tinuluputan ko takudi. These my updates just in front of the bishop's house. Idogupang dahamin the bishop kan ya. Kiwada talon-alon there's a road and then that's it. This is a sub-district of Maiku Mesot. Iti na pa nga kuwa ba iti kakadazan na punganan kampung kabo kampung na ba iti kampung na Mesot kampung na Maiku na Mesot katiri iti sadu mati mentada Bangkok iti tumuhod ka kapal nga sanjam no. Maiku Mesot is a sub-district in the district of Mesot, the eastern part of Thailand, which is about 1 hour flight from Bangkok, 8 hours by land. Bahu jam no sumakay ko the bus mantad the Bangkok, ibu kota Bangkok, capital city of Bangkok. So I'm very far, but I like this because I like the countryside. Ausa anangan mizon de kakadazan the gazo make the Bangkok to anangan so di kakampungan bo iba kakito dito di mananong dapay ongis pago so du mantado talon-alon tagazo iba nga bido nuhu diho, lot of mountain surroundings, countryside. I love countryside. All right, God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Kakanol putan takudik yo.